In this video, I'll show you how to fix GeForce not recording in-game audio. Now first what we want to do is we want to come up here in GeForce and click on Open in-game overlay. Now make sure you have instant replay on, so click on it to turn it on, and make sure you have record on. Now obviously I cannot click on it now since I'm recording already with OBS, but make sure you have both of these turned on. After that, what you want to do is simply you can close it down for 1 second. Then come down here, click on your speakers, go to the sound settings. If you're on Windows 11, just click open volume settings, but on Windows 10 you want to open up the sound settings. From in here on Windows 10, open up app, volume and device preferences. On Windows 11 this should already be opened, and this is where you can see everything you have opened. Now if you're recording with NVIDIA GeForce, it will be in here. Now like I said, since I'm using OBS to record, it will be here, but if you're using the GeForce, it should be right here. What you want to do is you want to make sure your output is the correct output and your input is the correct microphone. So make sure you choose the correct speakers here and the correct microphone in here. Now once you've done that, it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't work, you can come down here and search for Device Manager. Come in here and go to your audio inputs and outputs. Right click and update the driver for your outputs and inputs. Now after that, hopefully it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.